Hi. So here's status on what currently has been done and what can be reviewed. So if we go to the Trello board, there's a separate list called the Ready for Demo number 2 with all the tickets that were currently accomplished. So the first thing that was done is the ability for the seller to upload his ticket. So what he can do is currently he can go select the ticket that he wants to upload, click the next button. Over here he can select the state that he's in, this ticket is in. So basically the ticket details, the type of bet, the name. I'll just what is here, some test. So the name, then the team, I'll just copy the example. Then the amount that the person is going to win, the original cost, then the amount that it's the ticket is for sale, and some description if needed. And save. So once he saves, he gets a notification that his ticket was saved successfully. And what he can do is he can either sell another ticket, which will redirect him to the same page. Either he can take a look at his already tickets that he has, which is the My Ticket section. And this is also the functionality that was also added as well. On the seller's page over here as well, what the person will be able to see is he can learn how it works. So by clicking it, he'll get a pop-up notification, a pop-up window with the description how he can submit his ticket. This information was copied from the old site. If he clicks to see my tickets, he gets to redirect it to my tickets page. And over here, what we can do is we can see the active tickets that are currently submitted. So currently there are 2. We can also see the not listed, sold, and archived. Currently in this account they're not present, but if you log in with an account that these tickets are there, then you'll be able to view them. Also, what has been done is some tooltips were added for the users to understand what this particular section represents. So here you can see that these are the tickets that have been listed. These are the tickets that you have purchased and that are not listed. And sold are the tickets that have been sold, and archived are the ones that are old. So we left them blank. We didn't add a tooltip here. If needed, we can do that. It's quite simple. So that's the My Ticket section. Over here there's this pop-up. The other thing, the important thing that was done as well is the buy page was updated accordingly. So what we done here is we added the top section over here where now we have featured and sold tickets. This acts as toggle, so we can see if the last 3 featured, either the last 3 sold tickets. If there's no sold ticket, then this button doesn't get displayed. If there are no sold, no featured tickets, then this section is also not displayed. So if we scroll down, this section was already present, and we left it as it is. And it's more, the buttons, more recent best orders and most popular, they're more acting as a sorting mechanism. Another thing, a small update that was done is we moved the search section over here to the left, just for UX purposes. This is something that users are already familiar, and this is common in the industry. So this way it will be much more convenient for them. What can be done is we can make this left filter section scroll with together with the page, but that's an improvement. It's not critical and can be done later. Another thing, what has been added is the market value page. So it has been added, and this is how currently it looks. So we didn't spend a lot of time to meet the current designs that were there, just so that okay, yep, bыстро. Just so that this page could be implemented by the dates that we initially talked. So it works similar to the old market value page. So this, you can take a look at this as well. So that's all the tickets that were done can be found here. Also, the account section was implemented. So if the user clicks the accounts and goes to my account, what he'll see is he'll be able to edit his profile information. We left it as it is, and also the balance history. So the balance history, it looks the following format, and this is just because the database is not broken down in such a way so that we could display the data, the balance history data according to the design that was provided. So the quick and more effective solution was to do it as it is, but if that separation is needed, we can do the updates accordingly. Yeah, so this is in terms of what has, and also does the cash out, so the user can do the cash out. Here he can indicate the amount he wants to cash out, and he can indicate the method, so he can do the cash out by check or using his PayPal account. When he provides that information, then he gets a notification that your request has been received, and it will be processed in the next 2 business days. So that's that. What's currently remaining? Currently remaining is the sell page that needs to be done on WordPress. So I'm still waiting for the WordPress guy, and also so that's one thing that's remaining. That would be done as a separate website so that it doesn't conflict with the current live site. Yeah, so that's the only item that's remaining. Also, I remembered. Also, once that's done, we can update the links in the footer. So currently they do not move to any section, but we'll be able to update them quickly once the seller landing page site is ready. So Yeah, so that's that. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.